All right, let's run through another chemistry question. This one says the total pressure is 5.11 atmospheres for a gas mixture that consists of 0.307 moles of carbon dioxide and an unknown quantity of methane in a 2.59 liter container at 27 degrees Celsius. How many grams of methane are in this mixture? All right, so this looks like a PV equals nRT equation to me, because we're given a pressure, we're given moles, we're given volume, and we're given temperature, and all of those variables are part of your PV equals nRT equation. But they're asking for grams, which is not involved in that computation, right? But typically we can get grams from moles using molar mass. So if we can find moles of methane, we should be able to find grams of methane. And we're given the total moles in the container. It's a gas mixture, and we know how many moles of carbon dioxide. So if we figure out the moles of the gas mixture, we could subtract the moles of carbon dioxide to get the moles of methane. So first let's compute how many moles are in this entire system here. So again, we're going to use PV equals nRT. We're given that our pressure is 5.11. Our volume is 2.59 liters. Again, we're trying to figure out how many total moles are in the system, so that's going to remain N. We're using our R value for atmospheres, which is 0.0821. And then we need temperature, but we need temperature in Kelvin. We're in Celsius right now, so quick change over to Kelvin. We just add 273 to our value. It's going to give us a nice round temperature of 300 degrees Kelvin. So to solve this equation, all we have to do is divide by this stuff right here. So we're dividing by 0.0821 times 300 on the bottom. That's going to give us our total moles of 0.5373. And now if we subtract the moles of carbon dioxide, we'll get the methane moles, because it sounds like the gas mixture is just a mixture of carbon dioxide and methane. So when we subtract 0.307 here, it's going to give us our moles of methane. I'll denote that as N sub M. So we get 0.2303 for that. To get from moles of methane to grams of methane, we just have to do a quick molar mass calculation. So we'll take our 0.2303 moles of CH4, and we'll multiply this by the molar mass so that we can cancel out moles and get to grams. So we're going to have to calculate molar mass of CH4. Carbon is 12.011. We got 4 hydrogens. Each one of those weigh 1.008. And we'll multiply that times 4. It's going to give us a molar mass of 16.0 grams per 1 mole. We cancel out the units here. We've made it to grams of CH4, which is exactly what they're asking about. So after we multiply these two numbers, we're going to get a mass of 3.68 grams. And that is our final answer.